some coffee.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
My coffee's going. Here's another YouTuber I really like to watch too. Her name is Sweet Greens Vegan. Well, that's her channel name. Oh, let me back out. Maybe it's too close. And she's vegan. And when I was doing my 30-day vegan, like, she was saving my life. But I still love watching her videos because I get inspiration to make different things that still are vegan or like just healthier. So yeah.
Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to a new weekly video. I am sharing some delicious plant-based breakfast ideas for you that I know y'all are going to love. I'm also going to make some juice in this video and share a quick grocery haul. I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so I'm watching Samantha Joe do like a Q&A because I want to do a Q&A. I'm not sure when, probably the beginning of the year, but I just kind of want to see how hers like flows. But our coffee is done. Get into the vibes. Yes, it looks so good. Okay, so I had to put my hair up because it was getting in my face and it was just kind of pissing me off. I'm making some food. This is the first time I'm even eating, y'all. Literally. So this lighting over here is crazy. Let me show you what I'm making. I'm making some bacon and then I boiled some eggs. I think I'm gonna take a picture of my breakfast, lunch, brunch and put it in my thumbnail today. I still need to edit the video from yesterday. I don't have a lot of energy. I'm not tired, I just don't have a lot of energy. I think that's just because I've been like recording, editing, working, recording, editing, working, like, woo! That's my breakfast, you know, giving real main character vibes. It's exporting. Just finished editing my video on my lunch break. It's literally the shortest video ever, y'all. It's like 9 minutes. I'm so sorry, but I think the long nights are catching up to your girl for sure, because I am exhausted these days. Okay, so because they had like copyrighted music playing, I was trying to say that this is me and my husband because I'm a Taurus and he's a Pisces, and I plan trips and he goes on them, and I get overwhelmed and he's calm as hell. We both cook and clean, but I cook more. I love giving gifts and he loves acts of service. We eat, well, I make him try a lot of food, but, and then like, yeah, I was like, this is so crazy because we're literally the same. I don't know if it's the signs or like how all that works, but it's my head. I don't care how long that it takes, 'cause when I'm with you, I've got a smile on my face. I don't know why that song is stuck in my head. I think because it's literally all over TikTok. A shower. I have to run to the store, so you're gonna come with me to do that. Let's just get into the closet. It looks so hot. Look at that. Yeah. Our closet's a hot mess. We really just need a dresser for me, and then my husband can take over the entire closet. And we're talking about. Love my Christmas tree at night. So cute. We're gonna go ahead and close my blinds because it's nighttime. Don't nobody need to be looking into his house. But yes, it's a vibe. It's a vibe in here. Oh, such a vibe. Finish Samantha Joe's vlog yet. I was trying to show you guys the Christmas Hershey's Kisses. Actually, oh my gosh. Okay, these are the ones I was talking about. Like last year, these, the sugar cookie M&Ms, fire. But now they have the sugar cookie Hershey's Kisses. And those, I think, are better. Hold on, let me see if I can find them in here to show you guys. Ooh. They have hot cocoa ones, and those don't sound that great. I don't think they have them, so I won't be able to show you. That sucks. We gotta get some gas tomorrow, baby girl, because this is not gonna work. But so I'm cooking dinner tonight. I need to kind of hurry up and get my ass back home. But we are eating steak, loaded baked potatoes, and some broccoli for dinner. It's gonna be chef's kiss. But I wanted to get some wine coolers because I want to go to the pool tonight. I don't know if I really want to go have drinks by the pool or just go swim in the pool and have drinks. I don't know, but I want to do that. So Walgreens only sold the big packs of the wine coolers. And I don't want big packs. I literally just want to buy 4 or 2 and be great. So either I'm gonna drive down to 7-Eleven or go to this Wawa. I'm gonna go to this Wawa because Wawa is literally right there, and it's just easier. I could just get to it really quick. So let's go to this Wawa. Oh, let's make this late. Let's do it. Don't you go out, little car. You better wait. I wouldn't mind some wine, but I'll probably do wine on Sunday. I really want to get back into Pilates. There's a lot of things I've kind of been slacking on, but I think I'm going to get back into Pilates tomorrow morning. I think I want to wake up early and do some Pilates, get to work by 8, all of those great things. I just want to be very productive tomorrow because I feel like today I was semi-productive. I did laundry and I, did some dishes and stuff, but I just want to get back into doing more things for me, myself, and Pilates was something that I started and I was really enjoying it because it was just so relaxing and calming, and it stretched me out, especially since I do have back problems. I have sciatica, so it was really helping me with that. So I really need to get back to it, but we're at Wawa, so let's go. And this is why I love Wawa. So many options. And they have the 2 for $5. Quick Wawa haul. I got these for myself because I know I like these. They're really good though. And then I got my husband this, since he likes Moscato type things. I get so happy every time I see a Christmas tree, but we still gotta get a topper for that. I'm watching Friends with Benefits. I just started, never seen it. Started chopping up some bacon for the loaded potatoes. Cooking the steak. And we got the baked potatoes cooking. Baked potatoes done. Look at the steaks. Come on, stop playing with me. Here's the key. You cook them on the stove top in the pan. Get it all crispy on the outside. Put it in the oven. About 5-10 minutes. Bam. That's the big juicy steak. And then I put some Kerrygoat butter in the middle. Now we're going to put bacon bits and cheddar cheese. So we got the broccoli and then the loaded baked potato. There's bacon under there and then cheese. And then we got the sour cream and put on top. And the steak. It's starting to look good as hell.
She's great. DestinyVlogs, John Mayer.
Oh,
Which wants us to stay friends.